Welcome, Haske Public Library patrons. My name is Jackie, and I will be walking you through the online portion of our acrylic paint pouring program. The details of the program can be found on our website here. On our website, you'll see the online portion of our program is explained. First, you'd want to go to the Symbaloo website here. This will take you to a colorful list of all of our resources. Not all of these are required for participation in the program, just some of them, and those are located in the online materials guide here. Here's the presentation view of the online materials. First, we want you to read a couple of articles located in the orange introduction section of the Symbaloo. The Secrets of Paint Pouring Revealed, and Why Acrylic Pouring is Becoming So Popular. After you read those articles, go to the Getting Started Guides, which is the yellow portion of the Symbaloo, and we'd like you to read Welcome to r/paint pouring, which is from the Reddit community. You only have to read the top part through the cleanup section. Next, in the green area, there's a couple of videos that will really get you started with learning some basic techniques. Then, there's another article we'd like you to read that'll get you started thinking about color. It gives a good beginner's primer to color theory, and that's in the Teal Intermediate Guide section. After you've reviewed those materials, go to the participation survey. The survey is important because aside from letting us know if you've reviewed these materials, it also serves as your scheduling assistant so you can rank which session you'd prefer to attend most. We'll use this information to get you registered for a session. Back on the Symbaloo, that's located here, the last star. Once you've done that, then you just have to wait for your email to come, letting you know which session we've registered you for. In the meantime, feel free to visit the rest of the Symbaloo resources. There are books, links to classes, and a lot more. We look forward to painting with you.